Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin inside Gmail by finding a Google Alerts message. This is the fastest entry point. Once you see it, check the sender line to confirm its alerts at Google. Calm so you don't change other notifications. Next, click the message three-dot menu to access message actions. This reveals reporting and filtering options you'll use. This step prepares Gmail to either mute that alert or route it, and it speeds everything up because you're working from the actual alert rather than hunting settings. You now create a Gmail filter to stop future alerts. After selecting filter messages like these, confirm the sender and subject match the alert name so you block the right feed. Then pick an action, delete or skip inbox, to stop emails from interrupting you. Delete removes them, skip inbox archives them automatically. Make sure to check Apply Filter to matching conversations if you want immediate cleanup. Once done, save the filter so Gmail enforces the rule going forward, and you can manage alerts. Finish by testing whether alerts stop. Create a quick Google alert or wait for the next scheduled item. This validates your filter. If you need changes, go to Settings, Filters, and Blocked Addresses to edit or delete the rule. Make sure you target the exact sender and subject text. If alerts persist, check other linked Gmail accounts, verify forwarding rules, and ensure you didn't whitelist alerts. One troubleshooting tip: alerts often vary slightly in subject. Match on sender plus a stable phrase to reliably block them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.